Hello, my name is Ruby Cedillo, and I'm going to be talking about the challenges that adolescents and adults go through to develop the speaking skills. First of all, I would like to say that the different phases that adults go through are very tough when it comes to developing these skills. So we have a few challenges. For example, we have insecurity. A lot of students get insecure about their knowledge and about their ability that they have, when it comes to speaking, because they have a fear of making mistakes. They know that they can make mistakes because they are learning, but they don't want to because sometimes they may think that they are going to be uh, made fun of, or maybe their classmates are going to laugh at them. Also, some students get insecure because if they are learning, they obviously have an accent. And if they have an accent, it can be like a Latino accent. How this is what happens at most schools, and this is why they get insecure because they may listen to the teacher, and the teacher may not have an accent, and they want to copy that, but then they can't, so they get insecure. Another thing is anxiety. Uh, Students tend to get anxious every time they are asked to speak. And this happens because they may think that what they're doing is wrong. They may get anxious, they may start thinking like, I can't do this, I cannot do this, I can't. And like um, they will start like doing to speak very slowly and mix both Spanish and English, and they will get to a point in which, in some cases, students start to shake. So I think that this is very common when it comes to speaking because they get anxious and maybe they will skip a word, one word, two words because they want to finish as fast as they can. Uh, and this makes them have trouble noticing what is it that they are doing wrong. It gets worse, and if a teacher points out what they did wrong, then they will get more anxious. Another challenge is also the lack of vocabulary. uh, it doesn't matter what the topic is, students might have like even the basic idea about a topic, and they may even have like the idea in Spanish, but because of the lack of vocabulary, they cannot develop this idea to the class, to the teacher, and they can't properly communicate with others. Sometimes is that because of this, uh, they even don't get good grades because they don't know how to say it. They don't know how to say something. So they will start using just the basic vocabulary every time, every day, in every occasion. And when it comes to speaking, they would just get paralyzed, like they will get um, like in a point in which they don't know what to say, and they will start doing these signs with their hands because they don't know how to say it. So the teacher will help them, and then they will realize that there was a word for this sign. Another one, another challenge is shyness. It happens to new students and with regular students. Feeling shy is normal with English learners. It is also connected with the fear of making mistakes. There are students that are shy, that the students that don't want to participate because they get shy. they sometimes know what to say, how to say it, and they will just stop from developing the speaking skill because it's just being shy. Shyness is very common within students, and and this could be improved by motivating, by creating a better environment, by stimulation, by making the students see that being shy is okay and that this can get better in it can get from one point in which they are very shy to another point in which they can say I left that shyness in the past. And the last one is self-confidence. If a student is not confident enough, even if they have the knowledge, it will be difficult to speak. Self-confidence is very tough when it comes to English learners, and it is more if it's about speaking. To speak, students must think that they don't know something. And even if they say something wrong, if they feel confident and then they fail, they wouldn't feel very bad. They will be confident. They need to be confident with what they're saying because if they aren't, they will just start to feel like they don't know and they will never learn. So for this to improve, the teachers would have to motivate them every single day because this is all about motivation and stimulation and creating an environment that is based on confidence and being confident. All of these challenges are presented in both adolescents and adults. Even sometimes it will be very hard for them to to go from one place to another to the point in which they don't know how to develop the ability to point B in which they will feel very confident and try to get better every single day. Thank you.